guys, this is Crystal, and today we are doing this grunge-y girl look. I freaking love this look so much, and I'm so excited to show you guys how to achieve this look. It's definitely very different from the last couple of ones, so let's just dive right in. We're gonna start with the eyes today. Before I do that, I'm gonna use my unseen sunscreen. Really hard to say. Prime my whole face before I get started. And I am on the last leg of this, but I at least have a backup ready to go. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Rare Beauty primer. I'm gonna go for kind of like a metally, grungy look. I'm gonna start off with prepping my lid with a base. I'm gonna use this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I think my brushes are still dirty from the last look that I did. I should really clean my brushes more often. I know it's terrible, but I got shit to do, man. I'm gonna do this color right here. Now I am going to go into a throwback palette. This is the Naked palette, the original one. Look at how old this is. Oof. I still have quite a few colors left that I have not used in forever. So I'm gonna use this fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go into this color Buck. And I'm gonna go in and hollow out the sockets of my eye. And then I'm going to use this like metally color called Gunmetal. It's like a grayish metally color with some glitter in it. And I'm gonna use this like other fluffy brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of that color, and then I'm just gonna add it to the end of my lid and then the beginning. I'm just leaving like a blank space in the middle. Now I'm gonna take that brush from earlier that I used to go in with the brown, and I'm gonna just blend out that edge there so that there are no harsh lines. And I didn't go in and pick up any product. I'm just doing this with whatever was left on the brush. I have so many different like purple colors. I'm not really sure which one I want to use. Let's try this like Dimension color. This is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. So I'm just gonna go in with my finger and then pat that on. I think like the gist of the eye makeup is done, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my base and speed right through it because it's pretty much the same thing that I've done in my last two Coachella videos. Let's set my face. Going in with my Givenchy setting powder. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. This is a product that I received from Merit Beauty recently, and I love this brow gel thing. Volumizing pomade. Beautiful packaging, and I actually think that this might be my new favorite brow product. It's just so easy to use. It looks way less like streaky compared to some of the other brow products that I've used. I am going to contour my face a little bit. Nothing too crazy. So I'm just gonna take my usual blending brush. Actually, I should probably stock up on this. I'm gonna go in and contour my nose a little bit. And I'm gonna drag the color too to blend in with my eye makeup. I'm gonna use this bronzing brush. I'm gonna go in with this highlight and do my inner corners. So I'm taking this little fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna do my under eye. To start off with, I'm gonna use this little fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna use that buck color again. Run that all along my bottom lash line. And because I'm gonna go for more of like a grungy look, I'm gonna drag that down further than I would normally. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush, go in with that gunmetal color, and run that along my lash line. And I'm just focusing for now on the outer edges, just like I did with the upper lid. Now I'm gonna take a clean pencil brush and take that middle color from my top lid and pop that also in the middle. I'm gonna try doing some eyeliner. So I'm using the Stila waterproof eyeliner, and I'm gonna go for like a slightly more like upturned look today. Did I say more upturned? I meant very upturned. Oh my god. I think my eyeliner is drying out, which is like the most opportune moment for it to do that, isn't it? Let's do my cheeks really quick. This is a milk lip and cheek thing. I'll blend it out with my fingers. A little bit on my nose. Gonna do some highlight with my shimmer brick, which is my nose here, high points, my cheek. I'm gonna use this eyeliner from NYX and Tightline. Okay, now I'm gonna do lashes. Okay, these are lashes that I got from Amazon. I think I want to darken my brows a little bit more. Oops. I keep getting confused because I think that this should be where the tube is, and then the other shorter side should be the wand. The last thing I'm gonna do is my lips. I'm just using this Kylie Malibu lip liner. This was my favorite lipstick back in the day, Velvet Teddy from MAC. Now that I see everything together, I'm gonna go in with this blush, go over that really quick. I think I want more highlight. Okay, make sure everything's blended. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my hair. Since I've done a few looks with like curled and crimped, I'm gonna do my hair straight. I'm gonna clean up my vanity first, and then we can get into that. Whoops, excuse me. Can you please turn on, sir? I'm just gonna do like a half up. So I'm just gonna take and separate out some bangs that I wanna leave hanging down. I'm gonna kind of taking this brush and just kind of brushing everything up. Let's put on the outfit first, and I'll show you everything together. And this is the finished look. I don't think I've actually ever tried this kind of eyeliner on my face, but I'm kind of into it. Super cute, super e-girl. I feel like this is like my alter ego coming out a little bit. I gotta put my shoes on. Join me. This is the full outfit. I have on this like cropped tank top from Aritzia. And this really cute like lilac color, which I love. I love this color so much. I even did my nails yesterday so that I could match my outfit. Cute, right? And then this gingham print ruffles mini skirt, which I got from Poshmark. I have my Doc Martens on, which is like totally impractical for a festival like Coachella. So I think it would actually be really cute with some Vans or some like high top Converses. Really going in with that like punk look. And then for these earrings, I actually got these from Ana Luisa. These necklaces are from Etsy. I love them so much, and I just layered them all together. But yeah, this is the final look. I freaking love it. I think this one might be my favorite one so far. If you know me from high school, you'll know why. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I do have one more look planned for my Coachella series, but I hope you've been enjoying it so far. Definitely check out my other 2 Coachella look videos. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.